Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing good. It's a fresh new week, fresh new month. It's the 1st of July, right? So, as much as we're going to do a preview, as you can see on the screen, on what we did last week, we're also going to make sure that we focus on what the fresh new month has for us, right? So, we're going to do an analysis that is going to last us for the whole week, for the whole month, sorry. We're going to look at a monthly perspective of what we expect to happen in July as we move forward. All right. Great. Now, this is what we did last week. This is what we were expecting last Friday, which never happened. So we did not have a break above the point, and we did not have a break below the point. So basically, what we're waiting for is the market is here right now. Okay. So we look in terms of fundamentals. Fundamentals today, Monday, we do have the ISM on the PMI, which is definitely going to move the market at 5 p.m. Next to tomorrow, sorry, and tomorrow we have the jolts on the USD. I'm only looking for the USD. We'll have the Fed chair, Powell, Jerome Powell will be speaking tomorrow for 30. So that's going to move the market, of course. 5 p.m. as well. We have the jolts job openings. We'll have the ADP on Wednesday. We'll have the unemployment claims the same Wednesday. We'll also have the ISM now on the service. The other one for today is the manufacturing. So tomorrow, on Wednesday, we'll be having the ISM on service. Sorry, we also be having the FOMC meetings minutes coming out the same Wednesday. Thursday, we'll have nothing. It will be a bank holiday for the US. Oh, it's July 4th. Yes, it's July 4th for the US. So it's gonna be a holiday for the US. On Friday, then we're gonna have our best day of the month. This is our favorite day of the month, yeah, where we get to do NFP. All right, so it will be an NFP Friday on Friday. I'll be doing that live as well. So we will definitely be together on that. All right. So in terms of technicals, remove all the drawings over here. We go the way. Look at how the candle closed. This is the March, April, May, June candle. The June candle closed as an indecision candle. It did not close up, it did not close down, it just closed at where the market started. All right. Basically closed as an indecision candle. Look at the body. The body is almost where the opening and the closing is. So opening and closing is almost the same. So it's as tight as that. So we have the fresh new week, fresh new monthly candle starting from here, just began. And if I look at it very well, I can see there's a gap down, right? Because this candle closed over here and then this one started over here. So there's a gap down. So there's a gap down over here, and the market is actually covering up as we speak. The market is doing a cover up over there. All right. So this is it. So this means that after this candle, it means that this month candle can go either way. It can push up, it can push down. So either way, it can do something. So let's see in terms of technicals, what we can do about this very wonderful month, right? Again, price action based on support and resistance or market structure. All right. So very quick, we get the monthly resistance. We have the monthly support over here. All right. Okay. All right. So we have the monthly resistance, monthly support over there. We go to the weekly over here. We do weekly resistance. A minute over here. We got the weekly support, sorry. We have the weekly support, yeah? So you see this support was not yet broken. So we cannot, yes, there was no break of structure even for the weekly time frame, yeah? So this structure was not yet broken. But on the other side, we have this candle over here. Oh, sorry, let me pull it one more time. There we go. Yes, we have this one over there as the weekly resistance. over there. Go down to daily. Daily, we do have the same, it's almost at the same area. Again, you see this? Daily is just like almost the same area. It's just just a bit high, a bit over there. All right, but then we have a daily resistance over here, which is very loud and clear over here. So daily resistance, daily support over here. Then 4 hours. When you look at 4 hours, we have um we have a H4 resistance over here. H4 resistance, and then over here we do have H4 support. Over there. All right, so we go to 1 hour. On 1 hour, we have this one over here. This is the H1 resistance over here. The support comes down still at the same where the H4 is. We go to the last one, 30 minutes. Of course, again, same thing. All right, so good. So now let's find some places where we can actually do some very nice trade for ourselves. Over here, I want to break for the sells. I want to break below this point over here. You see a market breaking below this point. So hold on 1 minute. No. All right. Yeah, there we go. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, definitely. Well, I need the market to break below this candle over here, and that will be the potential sells below that point over there is around 23.18, 23.18, 23.17, 23.18. It's around 23.18 over there, right? So in terms of TP1, well, let's say go to 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes, you can get something over there, at least over there. Yeah. Yeah. And talk about TP1 over there. And we can talk about TP2 down here. All right. At the daily resistance. All right, short position over there. We're gonna get the market pushing that way. All right. So around that point over there. Above this point, we want to break above this line over here, above this wick, sorry. And then when you do that break, we will go to this point, and then definitely we're gonna go now to these highs over here. But if I would mark that over there and say that's the point where the market goes, but then mark this one with this, like that. Yeah, most probably I would get potential buys above 23 to 30. 23? 23. 23, 29. 23, 29 over there. TP1, TP2, and then TP3 over there. So long position over there, push it up to that point, or that's below. Now, you may be wondering, there's a very huge space between this point and this point where the market is actually playing in between, and we could also get some sales 15 minutes. Yeah, but actually it's not good. It's not good because there's a probability that if you get a break below this previous candle, 15 minutes candle, then it could push down like this. But I yeah, I'm not going to tell you to trade on that because uh, it needs some very aggressive person to do that. It needs experience to trade this. It's tradable, but it needs experience to trade this. Okay. It needs a lot of experience for you to be able to trade this. And this is going to be more of a quick trade. Okay. So let's just focus on this. At least these ones we can plan ahead. We can wait for it and wait for the executions to happen. And should we basically break above this point? If we break above this point, then we're going to be having a very good move, by the way. Yeah. Should we break above the H4 resistance? This is going to be a very nice, no, I'll use another one. I'll put something else over here. Yeah, something like that. Is going to be a very nice move as well, should we break above that point. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in a call out over there, or a comment, sorry. Let me just put a comment and say, when we break above that point, no, not us, when the price breaks above this H4 resistance, H4, then we expect moves to 2360. Yep. So at this point, what we have right now is we putting in, this is a call out area. So should we have a break above that point? Definitely, we're going to continue pushing up. But remember, we have some news, eh? So this is going to be, I'll mark this one just as aggressive, very, very aggressive sales, eh? The other one, you have to be a very good trader for you to do these sales over here. You have to be very on top of your risk management very well, because as you can see, according to the market structure, if you're going to enter over here, then it means your stop loss will be above here. And if you see the risk, this risk from here and from here to here and here to here is almost the same. So basically you'll be risking 1:1, and that is a very risky trade for you to take, but can lead you to profit if you have very good, maybe, risk management. Yeah. If you want to learn more about risk management, let me know. But over here, what you can use very well for those who have come to class, what I've taught you in terms of risk management is dynamic risk. So dynamic risk can work very well over there. But then, of course, like I said, on dynamic risk, it needs you to be very, very, very good at um, a very experienced trader for you to do that, right? So that is what we have today. So keep an eye, check it out. Let's meet tomorrow to do this analysis, review for this, and trade what you see and not what you think, right? Like we always say, right, guys? Have a good one and take care. Bye bye.